what I tried to do is an overview, and I think the schedule looks something like showing, first of all, just orienting developers to how to properly develop an extension and explaining what extensions are. I mean, that has to be done, because I don't know about Ryan and Cassie, when you take on existing DNN projects from other developers who clearly didn't understand DNN, and you've got these extensions that are, just, I don't know what, people like other applications hosted under DNN and redirecting to that. And I mean, so people have wild views of extensions without actually knowing what an extension is and how to properly develop something that plugs in and upgrades and works over time. So giving that foundation is the big thing. But I'm going to cover, I guess you would call new topics. They were new as of Baltimore, but they're not even new anymore. And that's only been, what, 9 or just like 7 months. But I did the new stuff, the MVC and SPA module development. I'm going to cover those. I'll maybe work in, I mean, I could barely fit that into the DNN Baltimore, the 8-hour training there, because not only did I have to cover, extension development and how it was done, in the past, DNN 7, but also cover the new concepts in DNN 8. And then in 9, I'm going to have to cover maybe some new things there as well. So it'll probably be mostly what I did in Baltimore, which is some new DNN 9 topics. If you only learn one thing from me, is how to start a module or an extension project, picking the right technology and starting the project off right with the right packaging and everything, so you can maintain it going forward. I have been doing DNN development for 5 years now, a little over 5 years now. I am an MVP. I've done this training twice before. With some modifications. I'll probably even hopefully throw in some stuff for DNN 9 at the last minute. But also, I've been recently working on some documentation for DNN Corp, which is going to go on their official documentation portal for MVC modules. So that'll be going in pretty soon, probably before the conference launches. So I guess I have a good background on DNN training.